In today's video, I'll show you how to convert any YouTube video into text quickly and for free. If you've been looking for an easy way to transcribe YouTube videos into readable paragraphs, this step-by-step guide is for you. All right, let's get started. First, open the YouTube video you want to convert into text and copy its URL. Next, open your browser and go to tactiq.io. I've also added the link in the description box below. Once you're on the website, hover your cursor over this solution menu at the top, then select YouTube Transcript under the AI Tools section. A new page will open. Simply paste your YouTube video link into the box and click Get Video Transcript. Within seconds, this AI tool will generate the entire transcript of everything spoken in that video. Now, if you want to turn that transcript into well-formatted, readable paragraphs, here's what to do. Click Copy to grab the text or download it directly. Then, open Notepad or MS Word and paste the transcript there. At the top, you'll see some extra lines. Go ahead and delete those. Then type something like, summarize this into natural, conversational paragraphs. Now, copy all the text, open ChatGPT in a new tab, paste it, and hit Enter. ChatGPT will instantly organize your transcript into clean, easy-to-read paragraphs. Copy script, and this script is convert to PDF. Open your browser and go to docs.google.com. Once you're on Google Docs, click on Blank Document or open an existing file. Now, paste your script or text into the blank document. Next, go to the File option in the top left corner. Click on Download, and then choose PDF document.pdf. That's it. Your file has now been successfully converted into a PDF using Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tricks. Thanks for watching.